Hi everyone, my name is Pranav and I can't wait to talk about the OnePlus Buds 3 wireless earbuds. Brace yourself for top-notch sounds. These buds boast dual drivers and the latest LHDC5.0 Bluetooth codec for deep bass, crisp treble and clear vocals. Here's the cool feature. Slide your finger for intuitive volume control. It's the little thing that counts, right? Now imagine enjoying peace with 49 decibel adaptive noise cancellation. Enter your sound oasis wherever you are. For the multitasker, the OnePlus Buds 3 have you covered with dual connection. Seamlessly jump between your phone and laptop no matter the brand. Charging is lightning fast, 10 minutes power, 7 hours of playback, or with the noise cancellation off, get up to 44 hours of tune. And don't sweat the elements. An IP55 rating means these buds are tough enough for walkouts and downpours alike. In a nutshell, the OnePlus Buds 3 are a powerhouse. Stunning sound, handy controls, dynamic noise cancellation, flexible connection, and a long-lasting battery, all wrapped up in a durable package. Get ready with an unbeatable audio experience with the OnePlus Buds 3. They are not just another pair of wireless earbuds, they are a game changer.
Hi there guys, this is me Korak Roy and this one is for all the fellow music lovers. When it comes to choosing the right kind of headphones or earphones, there are a few very important factors to consider. Let's take a look at some of them. Type. There are three main types of headphones to choose from: over-ear, on-ear and in-ear. Over-ear headphones provide the best sound isolation and noise isolation, but can be bulky and uncomfortable for long periods. On-ear headphones are more compact and comfortable, but may not offer the same level of noise isolation. In-ear headphones or earbuds are the most portable and convenient, but may sacrifice some sound quality. Sound quality. Look for headphones with high-quality drivers and a frequency response range that matches your listening preference. A wider frequency range can provide more detailed and accurate sound. Noise cancellation. Noise-cancelling headphones use advanced technology to block out external noise and provide a more immersive listening experience. Look for headphones with adjustable levels of noise cancellation to suit your environment. Comfort. Comfort is key, guys, when it comes to headphones, especially if you plan on using them for extended periods. Look for headphones with soft ear cushions and an adjustable headband for a comfortable fit. Connectivity. Consider how you plan to connect your headphones, wired or wireless. Wireless headphones offer more freedom of movement but may sacrifice some sound quality. Wire headphones offer a more reliable connection and better sound quality but can be less convenient. Microphone. If you plan on using your headphones for phone calls or video chats, look for headphones with a built-in microphone or detachable microphone for clear communication. Guys, overall, the best headphones, earphones or earbuds for you will depend on your personal preference and needs. I hope you found this video helpful. Happy shopping and of course, happy music listening.